All right, we really love the conference here at Ready Aim Teach. Amy and Kurt were really inspiring instructors. They gave us a lot of ideas to take back to the classroom. We got to collaborate with teachers from all grade levels, and the ideas were really up to date, and they gave us some references to look back on too for, take it away, Allie.
Okay, so this is my husband, and it really, this weekend not only gave us a chance to learn things professionally, but it also gave us a chance to spend some time with each other in a beautiful setting with delicious food and really wonderful people. And we learned some really amazing things about emotional learning and how to connect with students, and got some really hands-on strategies and some strategies that we already knew, but new ways to use them. So I would recommend this workshop for anyone looking to have a fun weekend and earn their credits and have a great time in a beautiful place.